I'm Natalie Bernero. I graduated in 2017 and I work at First Western Trust, which is a private bank in downtown Denver. I work as a trust associate, and so I basically work with people who have trusts and their estate planning documents, and so I get to help them preserve their wealth for their children and for the rest of their lives, which is really neat. When I came to Hastings College, I majored in applied mathematics. Being in such a difficult major, being a math major, really showed me how great Hastings College is, because I feel like if I had majored in math at a bigger university that I would have struggled a lot. I kind of would have been treading water, but I built those really personal relationships with my professors. I mean, I would consider myself like friends with some of my professors, and that was really fun and valuable and just made my being in such a difficult major such an easier experience for me. I loved that about Hastings College. While I was involved in a lot of difficult classes and doing that, I was also involved in the dance team here at Hastings College. I was in Student Alumni Association. I was a tour guide and a member of Omicron Delta Kappa, so lots of activities. Just use your resources to the fullest and then just make the most of your time, because I know my senior year I felt like I was ready to be done, but now that I am done, I definitely miss it, so just make the most of every day.